Our world often feels boring, lacking novelty and adventure. But if we travel down the lens of a microscope, we are transported to a biological cosmos filled with mysterious creatures. While we think of these microorganisms as causing disease, many help us. Microbes now grow our crops, make our foods, break down pollution, and produce many of our medications. Earth contains more than 1 trillion microorganism species, but most remain unknown. Our expedition is about discovering these species, but it starts with a pandemic. We are facing the deadly effects of COVID-19, but amphibians are fighting their own pandemic, not from a virus, but from a chytrid fungus. The cause of this infection is known as BD, and it is spreading around the globe, killing countless amphibians and already causing local extinctions. This is a conservation crisis. But there's hope. Certain species of bacteria produce a purple pigment that helps amphibians fight this fungus. Some species of microbes are better at protecting amphibians than others, but most remain undiscovered. We're going to change that. My name is Madden, and I'm an award-winning scientist, science communicator, and microbe wrangler. I've explored microbes in diverse habitats such as plants, insects, sourdough, birds, and soil to find microbes that make our world better, producing everything from novel antibiotics to better beer along the way. I've teamed up with Brooke Jude, a professor at Bard College who has spent her career researching these purple amphibian-saving microbes, publishing on them, and helping students discover these purple microbes from local waterways. Together, we are planning an expedition to find new species of these purple microbes that can help save amphibians. These microbes can be found on every continent, but we're starting in our own backyards, finding novelty in the mundane as we travel to some of the world's most well-known ponds in the USA. We're going to dive into mud, sample water, and find and study these microbes. Based on pilot data, we expect to name new species in the process. But this isn't just our expedition, it's yours too. As part of this venture, we're creating a participatory science and art project, perhaps the first such transdisciplinary project of its kind, to unite everyone in the process of discovery. To do this, we will produce education modules so that people across the world can join in, discovering new species using our expedition methods and contributing global data that will be used in our scientific publications. We'll also enlist artists to help us discover these microbes and use the safe purple dyes they produce. This will be part of an associated, community-created art exhibit. We will amplify our impact and recruit participants by leveraging established platforms. Based on our successful track record undertaking related projects, the outcomes of this expedition are myriad, and our likelihood of success high. We may begin this pandemic-proof expedition in cities, but we hope to eventually expand to exotic locations such as Antarctica, as we forge a global expedition and participatory venture that will hunt for new species, produce research publications, and unite artists, students, and scientists in the pursuit of discovery, and hopefully save the frogs in the process.